Hello kids! I'm Ellie and today we want to learn some shapes. Pentagon. It's a pentagon. Triangle. It's a triangle. Heart. It's a heart. Square. It's a square. Circle. It's a circle. Star. It's a star. Let's draw them. Pentagon. Pentagon. We are drawing pentagon. It's a pentagon. Triangle. Triangle. Heart. It's a heart. It's a heart. It's a heart. Square. It's a square. Square. Circle. It's a circle. Star. It's a star. Star. Now let's paint them. Green color. Green color. Pentagon. Pentagon. We're painting pentagon with green color. It's pentagon. Oh, amazing. Triangle. Pink color. Pink color. We are painting triangle with pink color. Oh, look at here. It's so beautiful. Please paint with me. Triangle. It's a triangle. Triangle. Heart. It's a heart. Red color. Red color. We want to paint heart with red color. So beautiful. Look at here. Please paint with me. Please paint with me. It's a heart. A red heart. It's a heart. Red color. Red color. Heart. So beautiful. Square. It's a square. Blue color. Blue color. We want to paint square with blue color. Look at here. Please paint with me. It's a blue square. Do you like blue color? I like it. Look at here. It's a square. Square. It's a blue square. Yes. Circle. It's a circle. Yellow color. Yellow color. We want to paint circle with yellow color. Do you like yellow color? I like it. It's a circle. Circle. Please paint with me. Yellow color. It's a yellow circle. Circle. Star. It's a star. Orange color. Orange color. We want to paint the star with orange color. Do you like orange color? Amazing. Orange color. It's an orange star. Please paint with me. It's a star. Amazing. Pentagon. Triangle. Heart. Square. Circle. Star. Finished. Please watch my next video.
Draw and learn. Hello kids! Oh look! Today we want to color in these shapes with each other. At first let's learn some colors. Orange color. Dark green color. What's the next? Blue color. Yellow color. And black color. What's the next? Oh, brown color. Repeat after me, brown. Green color. Pink color. Light brown color. Light pink color. Do you know which color is the next? Yes, red color. Gray color. And light orange color. Dark blue color. And the last one is purple color. So colorful. I love them. Okay, let's color these shapes with each other. Star. Repeat after me. Star. Circle. Circle. Oh, what is it? Polygon. Repeat after me. Polygon. Square. Square. Triangle. Triangle. Rectangle. Repeat after me. Rectangle. Okay, let's coloring them with each other. So colorful. Which color do you like to coloring with? Please subscribe us, kids. Now I'm using green color. Which color do you like? Which color do you like to use now? What about dark blue color? Do you like it? That's so great! Now I like to use red color. Yellow color. Let's color in the circle. Which color we can use now? Which color? What about pink color? Do you like it? It's so beautiful. Orange color. Repeat after me. Orange color. Green color. Keep going, kids. purple color. So amazing! Now we want to color in the polygon. Let's using dark green color. If you like our videos, please subscribe us. Brown color. What's the next? Oh, purple color. So beautiful, kids. And now I'm using orange color. That's so nice. Let's color in the square. Repeat after me. Square. At first, I'm using green color. Which color do you like to use now? What about yellow color? Do you like it? And now I'm using orange color. Blue color. It's so beautiful, kids. Let's color in the triangle. At first, I'm using dark blue color. Light blue color. And then I'm using pink color. The last color is orange color. Please subscribe us. Rectangle. We want to color in the rectangle. Green color. Do you like green color? So beautiful. Now I'm using dark green color. Brown color. And the last color is red color. Finished! We finished all these shapes with each other. So amazing! If you like our videos, please subscribe us. See you in the next video.